Hey guys, how is it going? It's your boy Gazin9919 here, and we are back for yet another Project Norman video where we will be fitting the boot badge because mine has got a bit deteriorated over time. It's been weathered, so I figure I might as well. So it's the little things that make a big difference. So this is the badge. Funny story about it is you see I got this little box. It came in a huge box with padding and that, and a little box, and then an even smaller logo. And boom, look at that. I haven't changed one of these before, but by the looks of those prongs at the back, it could be a case of just pulling it off and putting this on, because this paper here, the reason this is here is because it's actually sticky there, so hopefully it would work. But at the same time, I kind of do want to inspect just behind the badge, like take the plastic sort of trim off the boot and just to have a look behind, see what's going on behind there, because I think there could be a possibility that there might be some plastic clips holding these in, but I'm not 100% sure with that, so let's go have a look. So there are just 3 screw points, one there, just where the handle is, and one on the other side. Right then, so this rear bit is just held on by clips, like these things. Sometimes these can come off, all you do is just stick them back on, but just be very careful when you're pulling it, don't be too aggressive. Apply a bit of force, but like I say, don't go crazy with it. And that's where the badge is, and just as I thought, it's not hooked on in any way, so it can just be taken straight off pretty much. And like I say, to put this back on, you just line the clips up and just give it a bit of a thump. And obviously just put the 3 screws back in. You don't want to go like crazy tight with it. No, I don't quite know how I'm going to do this. I should have probably hammered it out from the other side. That would have probably made a bit more sense, but I want to just try tugging at it. So I tried trimming it off with this sort of flat head and pulling it off, but that didn't work, so I'm going to have to take the boot lining off again and just hit it from the inside, and hopefully that should do the job. Right then guys, so I realised the rear panel you couldn't access it from there and sort of hammer it out because there's all cables in the way. Best way I found, with help from my dad, I already called out the big guns on this one, is you got to go around with a knife and just sort of try and be as gentle as you can with it. I don't know if we're going to be able to get this stickiness off. I am thinking of maybe just putting the other badge on top and having double stickiness, but yeah, we'll see how it goes. Right then, so the moment of truth, we're going to go for double stickiness. So make sure we hold this down. I don't want this falling and sticking on somewhere. Just move this down here, and here we go. It's on. It's on. It's on. And that looks mighty fine. Right then guys, so that was how to change a rear badge on a Ford Fiesta Mk6. To be honest, it was a bit more difficult than I thought it would be, but now I've dug and found the secret behind it, what you can do, it's a bit easier. Like I said in the video, I'm so grateful that my dad helped me out on that one. I don't know, I was just absolutely just stumped on it. I didn't think, and he was like, oh well, if you get a Stanley knife and cut it slightly and make a line around the badge, and then we used the end of the teaspoon just to give it a little bit of a pry, but be careful with the paint because you really don't want to scratch it, because it would just be a waste of time doing the badge, because the whole reason for doing the badge is to make the car look better, and it ain't gonna look better with all scratches around it, so be very, very careful. If you're wondering how to do the front badge, I will be doing it in another video, but I will tell you this, it is a hell of a lot easier. I haven't done it, but I've had a good look, and yeah, it's a lot easier. So that is it, and if you guys did enjoy this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe, because guys, we're so close to 1,000 subscribers, and I really can't wait till I hit there. I've always said it, I can't even believe we've got to 807 last time I checked. I can't believe we've got to that, and thank you so much for 800 subscribers. And don't forget about the bell for notifications on future uploads. But until the next time, guys, peace. Hey guys, how's it going? It's your boy Gaz919 here.